Okay, and the last color we'll try is Dior. Again, this is Rogue, the pink shade. And I believe this one is supposed to have like a gloss. And you can kind of see the shimmer. A shimmer or a gloss. I don't think this is a matte, but I can let you know. I'll let you guys know in the description box below if this is a gloss or a matte. Ooh. So this is actually a satin finish. And this thing is very slick. This lipstick is really slick. It's really good, and it feels like, I don't know, it really feels like satin. This is nice. This one's really nice. Okay. So I liked all the products that I tried on. I hope that you guys got something from it. And again, I got all of these products at Sephora. Please be sure that you subscribe, comment, like, and share. Also, don't forget to let me know if you guys want to see all of these colors. All of these colors here. And I will go ahead and make another video so you guys can see each shade on my complexion. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. See what this makeup looks like. So when I do my photo shoots, I have this summer look I can go for. So I have some eye and lip options. Again, I'll be modeling for my store, Shop A May. That is www.shopamay.com. Coming soon, so stay tuned. Hope you guys tune in. Oh, I'm pretty sure you want to be here for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.